Hi, I'm Stan Moore with 360 Profit Masters, your Chief Profitability Advisor and CPA. Today's profit tip is what you need to know to determine how much job volume your company can handle. This profit tip is for residential or commercial contractors, GCs or subs. Now, many contractors struggle with managing volume optimally. How many jobs and what size should they be? Too much work can strangle a company, and too little work can starve a company. So how should you determine the right size job that you can handle? Or really the question is, what is your capacity? You must know these three key factors in order to project your capacity limits. If you don't, you will not be completing jobs on time or within scope, or maybe even not finishing the job at all. Not to mention the legal liability or losing money on the job. So let's start by defining capacity. Capacity is three things: financial capital, your bank credit and your bonding limits, and your personal cash; your human capital, your employees, including the managers and field labor and your subcontract labor; and your cash flow, the operating cash flow from a month-to-month basis in your business. Next, you must have these three key things to be able to accurately project out into the future. You must know all your current salaries and hourly wage rates for employees and for your outside staffing labor or subcontract labor. Number two, you must know the maximum limits that your bank would increase your credit line if needed, and the top limits your bonding company has for you, both your job limits and your aggregate limits. If you don't know this, you need to have this conversation right now. Lastly, you need to know your operating cash flow. This is a statement that you can look at. For the prior months where you've closed the books, you can take the fastest and easiest cash flow projection tools and method to get what you need. This is simply calculated from your balance sheet and your income statement. Now, if you keep your payroll and financial statements current and accurate, you have all the ingredients to easily project your capacity. Thanks for joining us for this profit tip. I'm with 360 Profit Masters, where we provide contractors with forecasting tools and other services to help them manage their growth profitably. To learn more about us and our profitability training and advisory service, I invite you to visit our website at 360profitmasters.com, where you can subscribe to future profit tips or register for upcoming events.